Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox the Ford GT Mark II by GT Spirit on 1:18 scale. I got this from the last toy show of Northern Lights. I bought it from Keith. Awesome guy. Thank you so much for this good deal. I bought these for a great price. And let's open it. So as you guys can see, typical GT Spirit block box with a shiny glossy 118 print, GT Spirit logo, GT on the top, white GT Spirit logo, same on the other side. Underneath is all the writings, QR code, barcode, and licenses. So what we bought is these limited edition Ford GT Mark II. I think this is the Multimatic Goodwood Festival Ford GT that they used on the Goodwood Festival. I'm not sure what year. If you know, comment down below. Let's open it. Heavy. Ta-da! Nice. So let's see what number we've got. They say they only have 999. Aw, the number is so high. We got the high number. So we got 575 of 999. That's okay. It's a 2021 Ford GT Mark II. As you guys can see it, very nice detail. It's a closed die cast. I'm not sure if it is die cast or resin. I didn't do my research yet, but it's kind of heavy, so probably it's a die cast. I'm not sure. If you know, comment down below. So look at the details on this one. Awesome. I don't like how they put the paint. Like too many layers on it. And some glue. I don't know why, but nice. The wheels are static, so it's not movable, as you can see. And the spoiler. So this is what we're having problem here. Like this small part right here. It's kind of bent. So I don't want to touch it anymore because, but it's okay, I think. Yeah. Nice. Ford GT. The wheels are nice too. In the back. some details. Yeah, so does it look like skew or something? It looks like sideways. Oh, that's a fail. The exhaust is sideways. Anyhow, as you guys can see, all in all, it's nice. Some carbon fiber accent here, and my fingerprint is there. I need to remove it. Ah, the windshield is soft. Why? I don't know, but it's nice though. It's nice, really nice. It's a nice car. So yeah, that's it guys. Ford GT Mark II 2021 Goodwood Festival car, Multimatic, and Ford performance. Nice. Nice wheels actually. Awesome. That's it. Hope you guys like it. Please hit the like button if you like the video, and thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next upcoming videos. We have lots of videos coming, so stay tuned guys. Thank you guys for watching again. See you guys next time. Bye.